Welcome back to your favorite social and climate change podcast, Sunny Days. Today we are going to be talking about bioenergy. So what is bioenergy? Bioenergy is energy that can be derived from biological matter, such as plants or food waste. It is the topic of today because it represents a great shot at mitigating climate change. On the global scale, biomass is the largest renewable energy contributor out of all forms of renewable energy. Most of this comes from developing countries that use traditional biomass, such as wood in their fireplace or in their stove. But biomass has potential in industrialized nations like America. Countries such as America, bioenergy can be easier to integrate into existing energy supply systems than other types of renewable energies, like solar or wind energy. So this provides us a little bit of hope that they can be integrated without a full overhaul of the system. Bioenergy in the form of fuel is already apparent at many gas stations that have ethanol. Ethanol is derived from corn and is a great example of how plants can be used to move us around. Bioenergy often burns much cleaner than traditional fossil fuels, and that means that they contribute a lot less to global warming. Bioenergy doesn't always have to be plants that are grown specifically to be used as fuel. Sometimes bioenergy comes in the form of food waste, which can be put into sealed tanks while they rot. Then, the methane gas that is produced can be captured and used as fuel. Puts a whole new spin on the old saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure, doesn't it? Imagine a large field full of green shrubs, each abundant with small macadamia-sized nuts. These nuts may seem ordinary on the outside, but they are the key to sustainable bioenergy in Africa. The oil from these croton nuts can be used instead of diesel in cars, water pumps, lamps, and everything in between. They don't take millennia to make, like oil, and also produce far fewer carbon emissions. This is what the future can look like. Lush fields full of energy, instead of black liquid that just smells off. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us, and be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to stay woke about climate change.